A strong financial plan is essential for securing your future and achieving your life goals. By following 5 essential steps, you can build a comprehensive financial plan that guides your decisions and helps you stay on track. Start by examining your current financial situation carefully. Calculate your total monthly income, including salaries, investments, and other sources. Next, list all expenses to understand where your money goes. Identify your assets, such as savings accounts or property, and your liabilities, like debts or loans. Also, review any insurance policies you have to ensure adequate coverage. This foundation enables realistic planning. Set clear and specific financial goals. These could include saving for retirement, purchasing a home, funding education, or paying off debt. Goals should be measurable, realistic, and time-bound. Defining your goals helps prioritize your resources and motivates consistent progress toward achieving them. Create a budget by tracking all income and expenses each month. Categorize spending to understand your habits and identify areas to adjust. Allocate funds toward achieving your financial goals without overspending. Maintaining a balanced budget ensures you live within your means and steadily move forward. Establish a financial safety net by saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This emergency fund protects you from unexpected hardships, such as job loss or medical bills, without disrupting your long-term financial plans. Investing wisely is key to growing your wealth over time. Diversify your investments across different asset types like stocks, bonds, and real estate to reduce risk. Choose investments that match your risk tolerance and time horizon. Review your portfolio regularly and rebalance it as needed to stay aligned with your goals. Regularly review your financial plan to track progress and adapt to changes. Life circumstances like income shifts, new goals, or unexpected expenses require updates to your plan. Staying flexible and adjusting your strategy helps ensure continued success. To build a strong financial plan, start by assessing your current situation and setting clear goals. Develop a budget to manage your money effectively. Build an emergency fund for unexpected needs and invest to grow your wealth. Finally, review and adjust your plan regularly to stay on track toward your financial future.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.